Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. But today we're going to be doing something I came up with the other day. After looking at their website, there's a couple of recipes on their website. I found one of them that I'm going to kind of tweak up a little bit, and this is going to be a peach lemonade. They had a peach iced tea on their website, right? So I decided let's try a lemonade with it. So we're going to show you how I did the peach lemonade. In our tin, first thing we do is we're going to do 2 ounces of vodka. I got Deep Eddy, use who you like. So I'm going to go 2 ounces of vodka. And for lemon juice, you can use 1 ounce of lemon juice. If you use fresh lemon juice, you're going to have 1.5 grams of carbs. I'm going to use concentrate. I'm going to have no grams of carbs in this. Well, in the lemon juice specifically. So again, 1.5 grams of carbs, that's really low too. Very, very low. But we're going to make it really low today by just doing it concentrated. And that is 0 grams of carbs. And if you watch my other video from Monin, you can check that one out right here where I did a margarita. I talk about the carb count in their syrups. Their syrup, their sweetener, which is their version of a simple syrup, is made with erythritol. So the net carbs are going to be 0. On the bottle, it is listed with 1 gram of carbs, but being it's erythritol, and erythritol is a sugar alcohol, this is going to have, you can deduct that from that. If you're counting carbs and net carbs, you understand how that works. But this is going to have less than 1 net gram of carbs according to Monin. So here we're going to do 1 ounce of their simple syrup. Now their peach syrup, it is not the same syrup as their sweetener. They have 2 different lines of sugar-free syrups. One is the one that's just erythritol, and the other one is their natural sweeteners. I haven't read this one yet, but I did read the other one, the other simple syrup. Erythritol, stevia, and monk fruit, plus the xanthan gum to make it a little thicker as a syrup, and some preservatives. But this one also has erythritol, stevia, and monk fruit as its sweetener. So we're going to do 3/4 ounce of the peach. And so we have the vodka, lemon juice, which are both 0 grams of carbs, less than 1 gram of carb on each of the syrups. So mathematically, it could be 1 gram of carbs depending on how low, less than 2 grams of carbs. They didn't specify, they just said that 1 ounce serving has less than 1 gram of carbs in general. So there we go. So we're going to add ice, cap it off, give it a good old shake. And we're done. Get yourself a glass. And this is basically going to be a dump and pour. And I made a couple of these last night for my wife and some friends, garnished with the peach. That's why I don't have any peaches to garnish with today. But that's it, guys. Super simple, super easy peach lemonade. Man, that's great. And I also, last night I did another version of this where I took 8 mint leaves, muddled that up with the simple syrup and the lemon juice. And man, that was really good. It's a minty peach lemonade, and that was excellent too. So if you want to kind of take another level to this and give it another flavor profile, throw some mint in there, muddle that up before you shake it all together. Man, it's delicious. Hey, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and click subscribe, leave a comment. And if you want all your friends to know what we're doing here, you want to boost us up high in the ratings, I can get some more subscribers, that would be wonderful. Go ahead and share my videos. That's going to help me out. Y'all have a great day. I know I will. Peachy.